Imagine this. A fake vendor identifies that ABC Solutions Inc. periodically sends invoices to your company. He submits a fake invoice with the account named ABC Solutions Inc. with the same logo and details. The invoice appears legitimate, but the vendor doesn't exist in the approved supplier database. Your accounts payable team, swamped with month-end workload, unknowingly clears the payment. Stronger controls could have prevented it. This scenario isn't rare. Without a robust verification mechanism, enterprises may unknowingly authorize payments that bypass internal controls, leading to financial loss and compliance exposure. Fraudulent invoices may involve fake vendors, altered payment terms, or inflated charges that go undetected. Collatio Accounts Payable Automation proactively addresses these risks with its AI-powered OCR, 6-way invoice matching, and advanced fraud detection technology. Collatio continuously matches incoming invoice vendor records against your live vendor master data and flags any anomalies like unregistered vendors, mismatched bank accounts, or naming inconsistencies, and automatically pauses the payment until resolved. 6-way matching technology reconciles the invoice against purchase order, goods receipt note, quality inspection report, SOWs, MSA, vendor master data, government tax portals, and government e-invoicing portals. With Collatio, you can secure your accounts payable process and gain full confidence in every payment decision. Book your free demo on scryai.com.